what I mean by that is they think that they're 70%, but they're not paying themselves for all the seats they're sending. And one of the worst things to do is that.
And I'm going to delegate the videos to them. And then I'm going to delegate their content to my production team so they don't have to edit because they're not good at edits. And then I'm going to have my production team come up with the titles and the clickbait thumbnails and everything else. And it's going to succeed because it's already been proven to succeed.
So we just finished up day 2 of the Mastermind, and I'm here with Sergio. He's an investor out here in Las Vegas. And if there's one thing that new people that want to get into this space, one tip that they should take away from anything like this, what would it be?
I would say for all the newbie people, everyone new wanting to get starting out, the number one thing I would recommend for you guys in 2022 to implement is to network like crazy. Go meet a friend that is involved, go meet people that are doing it, ask them questions. Don't be afraid to get out there, guys, make some friends.
Let's go. All right, so I'm out here with Ray. He's in Vegas like myself, and what do you do?
I'm mainly a wholesaler here in Las Vegas. This year I plan on buying some rentals, but we'll see what God has in store.
If you had one piece of advice for anyone that's trying to get into this space, what would it be?
2 things really. One, you gotta make the decision if this is something you really want to do or not. And assuming the answer is yes, I'd say you have to stay really consistent because it's a very simple business, but it's not easy. It's not easy to get a deal. So if this is something you really want to do, then my advice would just be to stick to it and be consistent with it.
All right, thank you.
Awesome, man. Thanks for having me.
All right, so I'm here with Ethan. He's killing it in Iowa. If there's one piece of advice that you'd give to anyone trying to get into the space, what would it be?
Before you go and drop like $10,000 or $15,000 in some of these educational programs, I'd spend like $100 on Amazon and get Crushing It in Commercial and Apartment Real Estate, How to Landlording on Autopilot by Mike Butler, and probably 10X by Grant Cardone. You want to learn a lot of the terminology that's involved in real estate. So when you meet awesome and intelligent people, you can digest what they're telling you.
Thanks so much, man.
Appreciate you, man.
All right, so I'm here with Will Wall, and if there's one piece of advice that you would give to someone trying to get into this space, what would it be?
Man, it would probably be to just take action every single day. It didn't matter what I was doing, I was just taking some kind of positive action, whether it's calling an agent, calling a seller, calling a lender, calling a potential lender, calling a contractor. Like, you just have to take action every single day. That's the only thing I can recommend.
I appreciate it, man.
My dude. Good stuff, brother.
So I'm here with Chandler David Smith, and if there's one piece of advice that you'd give to people trying to get into this space, what would it be?
I would say like the biggest pain points are deal flow and money. And so if you really want to get into it, you just have to solve those 2 problems. Then as long as your numbers are right, you can make the jump. So, if people have the skill set, they're putting in the time, and they can create the deal flow, then go borrow money or find a way to increase your income. If you've got the money, I think that is probably the easier problem to deal with deal flow. Make those connections and find multiple different options for deal flow, and you're going to be set. But if you can figure out both those, you're going to be good to go.
Got it. Thank you.
Hey, of course.
So I'm here with Ryan Pineda, and if there's one piece of advice you'd give to anyone trying to get into this space, what would it be?
I would say just take action. Just start making it happen, dude. Too many people overthink. Too many people ask questions that they know the answer to. Just go out and make offers on houses. It's that simple.
All right. Thank you so much. Double vlog going on right here.
Inception.